morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day out there. And as promised, today I'm going to show you my last 7 days competition between eBay and the seller app, which is Facebook Marketplace new app. So let's get into it. Let's not waste any time. All right, before we get started, I'd like to ask for a huge favor. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps in the algorithm. All the above. Thank you. All right, let's see what we did on eBay for the past 7 days. I made 2 sales in the last 7 days. I sold a Bushnell golf watch and a Bushnell golf Bluetooth speaker. For a total of $97.04. Not too bad. Not as good as I'd be expecting, but I've been restricted. So, okay, let's look at Facebook Marketplace. I made 1 sale with the Sonos Connect, and I made $34.66 when it was all said and done on that. But I also made 2 sales in person. So I sold the Streamlight ProTac tactical flashlight for $60 and the Rocket Fire torch for $60. So that brings the total up to $154. So I'm doing better on Marketplace right now. And I also have a suitcase that 2 people are asking me about to meet them today. So it's not done yet, so I'm not going to count it in this. All right, well, that was pretty quick. Facebook Marketplace, hands down, won. I mean, it wasn't a huge difference. It was 97 to 154, but I also have a confirmed time for the pickup for the suitcase. They're coming between 5 and 5:30. That's another $45. They might negotiate, might drop down to 40, but I'm pretty easy to work with, so it's not a big deal. And I also got a chance to start working on organizing my workshop. I wouldn't even call it organizing, but cleaning up a little bit. So let's go check that out. Fuck that. I'm trying to wow my audience. Fuck that. That was a special treat for everyone. What the? Sorry for that. I don't know what that is. Smarto parts for an airsoft gun. This is something that I listed a long time ago and never sold it. Forgot I even had it, so time to get back into organizing my shop, relisting stuff for sale. I mean, it's already packaged and everything too, so I must have almost sold it already, and then the sale got canceled for whatever reason. So all right, I'm tired of doing this shit already. Said I'm tired of doing this shit already. It's a little better. It's not perfect, but it's a little better.